we're going to look at how to make a sticker, and at this point your sticker file will be on the server, and you'll come into the back room and you'll have our friendly TA pull up your design on the computer.
Does everything look A-okay?
Yes, it does. You want to make sure it looks like it should, and if it doesn't look like it should at this point, you need to go back to your computer, make the changes that you need to, and put it back on the server. So everything looks good. Our next step is grabbing some vinyl that we want to use. So choose from the scrap bin and find the color that you want to do. The only thing you need to do is make sure that it's at least 4 inches by 4 inches, and a little bit more is better. So once you have the piece of vinyl that you want to cut, you're going to go ahead and give it to your TA, and they are going to load it up into the machine right here. And they're going to go ahead and cut it for you. So what the machine is doing is cutting out the exact anchor points that you've set up in the computer, and it's just going from point to point and cutting. And another thing to note is that different vinyls may need to be cut at different depths, and we can change the blade pressure on the machine if needed. Alright, so once it's done cutting, we're going to remove it from the machine, and we'll get ready to peel away the excess vinyl. Our next step is we're going to use a needle tool and an X-Acto knife, and we're going to peel away the excess vinyl, the part that's not part of your sticker. And we want to gouge through the vinyl, just through the first layer of it, and peel up the parts that aren't part of your sticker that you want to show up. Another thing that can help is dividing your sticker into different parts. And I'm just going to score part of the sticker with this X-Acto. And I'm not cutting through both layers. I'm just cutting through the top layer of vinyl and getting this to be sectioned off to make it a little bit easier, break it up into different sections. Make sure nothing's coming up that you don't want to come up, and you peel away. Alright, once you have all the excess vinyl weeded off of your sticker, we're going to use some of this transfer tape to put on the sticker, and we're going to cut away just a piece of the transfer tape that's a little bit bigger than the size of your sticker. And we will peel this, getting just the sticky part, and we're going to place it over the top. So then we're going to put the transfer tape over the top. I usually try to bend it and push it down in the middle, and pushing it down, try to get out any air bubbles. You can also use something like this to try to help flatten it and also get some of the extra air bubbles out. The next step will be using the scissors to cut around it. So I'm going to put my sticker on this board here, and I'll put it down, pushing it in there. You can use a card also to help make sure it's on there. And then you're ready to take off your transfer tape and peel that away. And there you go.